Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to upload files manually to cPanel web hosting account in Godaddy. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Godaddy account and you might end up at your dashboard. On the top right corner you will find these 6 dots icon. Just click on this option and here you will see web hosting and Wordpress. Click on this. Once you are here, you can see my web hosting and domain are over here. At the right, you will see action icon. Just click on this. Here you can see we have cPanel admin. Click on this option. You will end up over here. Click on file manager, and after that you will end up over here. Here you will see public HTML over here. This is where our website is. Click on this, and this is the website which I have already on my domain. But if you want to upload it like a subdomain or something like that, you can also do that. Just click on this folder over here, name your folder, click on create new folder, go to demo folder, and here we are going to upload our website. But make sure to upload your website in zip file, otherwise it won't work. So I'm going to select the file from over here. So here is my website in a zip file. Click on this, and as you can see it's 120 MB over here, so it might take some time to upload. While it's done, just go back, and here you can see our zip file. Click on this. On the top right, you will see extract. Click on this, extract files. So you can see I just extracted my website from website.zip, and now you can delete it. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to upload files manually to cPanel web hosting account in Godaddy. This is the easiest way you can do it. And if you go back, you will see that it's in our website already. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.